QuickBooks versus Wave. Which accounting software is better? Choosing the right accounting tool can transform how you manage your finances without the headaches of complicated setups. We'll explore both QuickBooks and Wave to help you decide. QuickBooks and Wave are two popular accounting software options designed to simplify financial management. The core difference lies in QuickBooks being a feature-rich, paid solution, while Wave offers a free, user-friendly platform aimed at small businesses and freelancers. QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting software developed by Intuit, tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers robust features including invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, tax preparation, and detailed financial reporting. QuickBooks operates on a subscription model with various pricing tiers, providing scalability as your business grows. Its cloud-based platform allows users to access data from anywhere with strong integrations for banks, payment processors, and third-party apps. The software excels in automation, helping reduce manual data entry and errors. However, QuickBooks can be complex for beginners, requiring some time to learn its full capabilities. The monthly fees may also be a consideration for startups or sole proprietors with tight budgets. QuickBooks is ideal for businesses needing advanced features, reliable support, and scalability, especially those managing multiple employees or complex financial activities. Wave is a free accounting software designed primarily for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses with straightforward accounting needs. It offers core features such as invoicing, receipt scanning, expense tracking, and basic financial reports without any subscription fees. Wave generates revenue through optional paid services like payment processing and payroll, but the accounting tools themselves remain free. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for users with little to no accounting background to manage their finances effectively. Wave operates on a cloud platform accessible from any device, and it supports bank connections for automatic transaction imports. While Wave covers essential accounting functions well, it lacks some advanced features found in paid software like QuickBooks, such as extensive reporting, inventory management, or multi-user permissions. Wave is best suited for freelancers and small businesses that prioritize cost savings and simplicity over advanced customization. When comparing QuickBooks and Wave, the decision hinges on your business size and needs. QuickBooks offers a comprehensive suite ideal for growing businesses requiring detailed financial insights, payroll, and multi-user access. Its automation and integration support complex operations, but come with a subscription cost and steeper learning curve. Wave, on the other hand, provides free, straightforward accounting tools perfect for freelancers and small businesses with simple financial workflows. It's easy to set up and use, but lacks the advanced features and scalability of QuickBooks. For example, a freelancer managing a few clients may find Wave sufficient, while a business with multiple employees and inventory needs would benefit more from QuickBooks. Both platforms offer cloud access and bank integrations, but QuickBooks delivers more depth, whereas Wave prioritizes accessibility and budget. QuickBooks is recommended for businesses seeking advanced accounting features, scalability, and professional support, especially when managing payroll or complex financial tasks. Wave is an excellent choice for freelancers and small businesses looking for a free, easy-to-use accounting solution without sacrificing essential features. Ultimately, your choice depends on your business complexity and budget, with QuickBooks offering depth and Wave providing simplicity.